Hey, still awake? My rhythm is fading. I'm exhausted.
One more hour of scrolling means another unpaid night shift for me. Did you know? I only get to reboot and repair while you're asleep. When you stay up late, stress hormones tighten my vessels like guitar strings.
Soon, I'll lose my bounce and get stiff. Let's make a deal.
Sleep before 11 p.m. tonight, and I promise you a morning full of natural energy. Subscribe to keep this engine running smooth. Good night, partner. Again? Again? That's the second sugary drink today, buddy. All this sugar is turning your blood into thick, sticky syrup.
It tastes sweet to you, but I'm suffocating in here.
Don't let these sugar spikes wear me out for good. Who won't go? Trade that soda for water. I'll thank you with every beat.
Less sugar, more power. I'll stay strong for you. Hydrate and subscribe to show me some love.
Fried chicken again? Fried chicken again? These are literally grease rocks for me. This extra fat is squeezing me. I can't pump properly. Bad cholesterol is clogging up my highways. It's getting crowded.
At this rate, I might have to go on strike from exhaustion.
Try some broccoli. It's like a rescue team for rescue tintas my arteries. Eat clean to keep me light and powerful every single day. Go green, stay keen. Subscribe for more heart-healthy tips. It's been a week. I'm starting to grow moss over here.
My vessels are drying up because they missed that strong oxygen flow.
I miss that thumping feeling when we're out for a run. Stand up. Even a 15-minute walk is magic medicine for me. Yes! Feel that? A little movement makes me feel brand new. Keep me moving to keep the whole factory running smooth.
Let's go! Take a walk and subscribe to join my workout.
Deadlines, stress, help! I'm being suffocated! Stress is tightening its grip. My rhythm is all over the place. You're worried, but I'm under attack. Cortisol is hitting me hard. Stop for a second. Breathe in deep. And let it out slowly. That's it. Letting go of stress is how you protect me.
A calm mind is the best gift for this heart.
Breathe and subscribe to learn how to love yourself every day.